ada yang this one I don't mind kalau misalnya kayak masuk ke recording atau gimana. Kunci gue tadinya niatnya mau sempet comblangin gue, tapi pas tahu cowoknya autis nggak jadi.
Autis gimana? I need to
She
know.
doesn't know how autistic the person is, like the level of autism dia nggak tahu separah apa.
Uh,
Cuman Cigu udah langsung nggak usah lah deh. Tuh masalahnya jatuhnya seumur hidup deh ntar kalau emang jadi deh nggak usah lah.
emang
Meanwhile
how?
gue dalam hati,
Uh,
no, no, you have to know. Dia ngirim ke gue itu
mm-mm.
tiba-tiba tuh begini.
Oke, how autistic kayak
We don't know.
kayak gue
We really
atau
no. That's the thing. We really don't know. Karena cuma kemarin malam,
uh,
gue tiba-tiba
uh,
nge-forward ke gue.
mhm.
Bener-bener langsung dia nge-forward ke gue. Anaknya tahun kelahiran 1993. Cari cewek baik. Ada nggak yang kenal dan bisa dijodohin? Boleh juga lebih tua atau lebih muda.
Hah?
Anaknya harus senang juga traveling ke Disneyland dan lain-lain. Dan bisa bahasa Inggris juga.
That's very specific.
It's very specific. Udah gitu, terus dia bilang,
I
Kak,
need to
mau
find
nggak
this.
beda 3 tahun? Oke lah. Terus gue
Uh,
bilang dong, the fuck? Gue balas lagi,
uh,
gas lah. Kalau dibayarin ke Disneylandnya boleh lah.
uh,
Asal jangan gue yang bayar sendiri. Gue bilang
uh,
kayak gitu dong.
uh,
Gue balas lagi, lu dapat dari mana anjir?
uh.
Grup keluarganya suaminya dia.
Oke.
Terus dikirimin lagi, di forwardin. Susah juga zaman sekarang. Senangnya main video game, tapi finansial terjamin. Gue
Oke.
tanya dong,
Uh,
cowoknya. Iya, dia suka video game. Ya, gue sih nggak masalah. Gue bilang dong, ya udah nggak masalah. Kalau lu mau nggak mau coba kasih ketemuan sekali atau 2 kali.
mm-mm.
Walaupun gue juga suka main game, kan belum tentu nyocok gamenya, ya kan?
Iya.
Terus gue bilang lagi, tapi kalau cowoknya obesitas, gue nggak mau. Dia rada gemuk sedikit, nggak masalah. Tapi kalau obesitas, gue nggak mau. Langsung gue gituin.
Uh,
Karena lu kalau gemuk, ya ada faktor mungkin fisikal atau gimana gitu kan dari
mm,
badan lu sendiri. Mungkin
mm-mm.
ada faktornya. Tapi kalau obesitas, biasa itu pilihan.
Jesus fucking Christ, Rin.
Gue selalu ngebedain gitu lah. Kalau emang lu karena emang badannya nggak bisa kurus, ya
Mm,
udah nggak apa-apa gitu loh. Terus Ci gue bilang, terus nggak lama Ci gue bilang, well dia autis sih, tapi keluarganya kaya raya, financial freedom sih. Lu mau tiap bulan jalan-jalan ke luar negeri pakai first class juga bisa. Gue
uh,
langsung bilang dong, define autistic.
iya.
Nah, autistik tahu di tahap apa, tapi dia suka ke Disneyland dan suka main video game. Gue bilang dong, I mean, ya terserah lu aja sih. Kalau misalnya iseng mau coba kenalin ya silakan. Tapi gue nggak bisa janji apa-apa.
He likes
Bener dong kalau
Disney.
ngomong kayak gitu kan?
He likes Disney and video game. Oh, it's just like me. This guy.
I know, right?
Iya,
Technically
iya.
speaking, ya.
Oke,
Like me
terus.
also gitu.
Iya, makanya terus.
It is, I feel like she's like defining myself gitu. Jadi kayak
Heeh.
technically gitu kan.
Uh,
Terus habis itu dia bilang, autis tahu lu seumur hidup, lu seumur hidup nanti enaknya di awal doang. Enggak ah, dia bilang kayak gitu.
hmm.
Ya gue bilang dong, ya autisnya kalau nggak super autistik sih masih nggak masalah ya. Tapi kalau
Iya.
autis yang sampai harus pakai suster segala macam, baru gue juga nggak mau.
Iya. Heeh.
Bener dong.
Iya.
Tapi habis itu udah nggak ada update lagi dari dia.
Dah. Lah. So,
Apa rasa ya?
yeah. Well, Oke, hold on. We need to unpack this. Kita nggak main game nih. Kita ngerekam, kita ngobrol aja, anjir. We need indie in this convo. Jesus. This is the type of conversation they would like. Probably. Because
This is a very stupid conversation gitu loh. Kamu kayak,
I know. Because here's the thing, kayak some time ago, gue indie and it's like several of my friends from high school. Ya apa conversationnya tuh dimulai gue sama indie dulu gitu kayak. Because I noticed kayak waktu gue ngomong sama lu itu, gue ngirimin screenshot gue main Starfield kayak main spaceship and stuff, lalu the trains in Satisfactory, gue kan kayak okay, I sent these also to Indy and to you, and then some time later gitu, sehari kemudian gue kayak pas lagi main kayak why am I so fixated on this, terus kenapa gue kok seneng banget with the smallest changes, uh, that I made to like my train tracks or my spaceship or some shit gitu. And then like I thought to myself, oh god, am I autistic? This I remembered a conversation between me and my mom, and I asked her, Mom, am I autistic? And then she said, yeah, a little bit. It's kaya, when I had this conversation again with Indy and my wife, terus I told them like, I'm pretty sure I'm autistic. And then Indy said, yeah, I know. We may not be like the stereotypical autist, but like we're definitely on the spectrum. But how far we don't
Iya.
know. Iya gitu. Nah, the question again kayak apa revolves around this aja, terus kayak kembali lagi ke lo gitu kayak apa, how autistic is this dude, kayak how far is he in the spectrum gitu loh, karena apa, autism is not like, it's not binary ya kan, kayak the correct question is like how autistic is he, tapi kalau misalkan nggak dijawab kayak oh, okay, it's a bit concerning, kayak misalkan because what, he's 93 apa, he's born in 93. So that would mean he's like what, 31 going on 30. He's 32 going on 33 probably kan. Terus he's still into Disney. He could go abroad just to go to Disneyland every month. He plays video games a lot and like obsessed. Okay, so he's very autistic. And then like, oh god, he has some. And then I realized kayak gue nyadar kayak oh, dia punya obsesi yang cukup mirip sama gue, kayak seautis gue kah, seautis beberapa teman gue kah. Terus kalau misalkan ngejawab kayak oh god, this is very bad if if you know what I mean, kayak imagine me. Gue ketawa dulu. Imagine me but more intense. but 10 times more intense. I can't even imagine that. Kayak, oh god. I will talk non-stop about some things that I'm very obsessed with gitu loh. Especially to my wife. And thankfully she's okay with it. Again, that. But 10 times more intense. Can you imagine that gitu loh, kayak can you be in the position of my wife with your husband talking nonstop about some inane bullshit that you don't care about? But also Disney. I don't give a shit about Disney. Tapi kayak imagine that but with Disney. Itu tuh so fucking funny. Like a Disney adult itu loh, kayak I think that what got me.
Masalahnya bener-bener kayak spesifikasinya tuh bener-bener spesifik
I
gitu
know,
loh.
it's so specific.
Udah gitu, udah gitu, si gue juga tadi pas yang lagi pandel tuh dia ngomong, iya, ini tuh bisa minggu ini Disneyland Paris, minggu depan Disneyland Hong Kong, minggu
That's
depannya lagi
crazy.
Disneyland Paris. Dia kan ngomong kayak gitu kan.
Yeah.
Jadi abis itu gue mikir, nah kalau tiap minggu, kalau misalnya emang lu kenalin ke gue kerjanya gimana? Lu kerja, lu udah financially di support gitu. Gue kayak dalam hati, tempting.
You're such a bitch. Don't be like that, Ren. I will lose all respect for you. And I will assure you your friends will too.
But I'm just being realistic. Everything is so fucking expensive right
Yeah,
now.
I know,
gitu.
but
Jadi
shut
kayak-
up. Okay, here's the thing. Kayak I have several concerns. Kayak, does he have a job? Okay, we get that he's autistic.
No.
Okay, he doesn't have a job, so he's living off
He
his
doesn't have a
parents'
job.
money. Okay, if
Yep. But here's the thing, Dan.
what?
Keluarganya itu when I say they're rich, they're rich karena dia yang punya tanah mayoritas tanah industri.
Oh, those types of people.
Those type of rich.
Okay, so like awalnya tuh gue concern kayak okay, kalau misalkan dia kelahiran 93, berarti orang tuanya tuh udah di atas 60 gitu, mungkin deketin 70.
Ya,
They're not long for this world is what I'm trying to say.
no,
Dia punya
ya,
dia punya saudara nggak, itu pertanyaan berikut gue.
kalau enggak, that's even better.
Oke, dia punya saudara, adik kakak gitu? Enggak.
Nggak tahu, nggak
Kalau misalkan
shit
anak
gitu loh, cuma tiba-tiba gue tuh benar-benar kayak, do you want?
kalau anak tunggal berarti dia child emperor. Berarti emang disuapin banget gitu. Kalau orang tuanya nggak ada, gue takut lu tuh yang jadi orang tuanya itu, karena biasanya kayak gitu. Apalagi orang
Itu
dengan
pasti.
iya, lu mau jadi bukan jadi sugar baby-nya lagi ketika orang tuanya meninggal, lu tuh jadi ibunya gitu loh, maksud gue. Apakah lu mau? Iya
Kan
kok.
Tante Crispy kan juga hire nanny.
Oh god. Terus jadi you just sit there and enjoy the fucking money gitu, kayak only there for
Kalau
him
misalnya
physically
kalau
gitu
emang
loh.
kayak gitu ya pastinya jatuhnya ya pasti kalau misalnya nggak ada keluarga nih, nggak ada saudara segala macam, pasti yang ada gue jatuhnya yang bantu ngurusin eh ya
Keuangan dia.
perusahaan or yang
Iya,
ya,
itu
keuangan
dia.
gitu.
So you're basically taking over his life. Itu kayak that's some feudalistic shit gitu loh, kayak that's a strategy
I know, right?
straight out of Crusader Kings. My husband is autistic. It's so fucking
It's
funny.
It's like one of those shitty Chinese drama
Yes.
shit, tau gak?
Yes, it's shitty. Don't stoop yourself this low, kayak.
I know, but it's so fucking stupid gitu loh.
It's super funny though. Yeah, we need to. Oh god. Okay.
I don't think I will actually do it, but just thinking of the possibility, it's fucking hilarious.
Being a okay, here's the thing. This is what I have in mind. Kayak when if because his parents are still alive, you will be the sugar baby. Tapi when the moment they die, you will become mommy. Period. Kayak because oh god, oh god.